Why is it zoomed in so much?
What's your priority?
We are at Mount Rushmore today. We drove over from Montana through Wyoming and made it into South Dakota last night, and we came up today after some heavy rain this morning and are going to go and check out Mount Rushmore, do the Junior Ranger there because it is a national monument, and then we'll see what else the day has in store for us. But the kids are really excited to see Mount Rushmore. Okay, you ready? You gonna do Junior Ranger? Mm-hmm. Awesome. Alrighty, we're all parked. You do have to pay for parking here at Mount Rushmore. It's not covered in your annual pass with the national parks because a different company kind of runs it, but it was $10 to get in, and the pass is good for a whole year. I don't know that we'll be back in a year, but we'll see. We got a parking spot with the truck in the bottom of the parking garage, and we're gonna head on in and see what's in there.
George lives here.
George who?
George lives here. It's not so. It's with George. He has to be here. With George. I really want to.
George who? George Washington?
Uh-huh.
Yeah?
He's here.
Do you see George Washington?
No.
Come here. I can point him out to you. Come here. He's right there.
What the? People are up there climbing some. Do you see George?
Yeah. What are you sitting on? What? Where'd the stone come from? Is it George Washington's booger?
I guess.
Oh, we're gonna go up into Colorado, over, down, up through Nevada, down to the bottom of California, all the way up the coast, all the way up, all the way up, all the way up, now back down, over to Idaho.
Up.
Nope.
Yes.
We were like here, and then up, and then
Here. Then
yep, and then across, and then down through the purple one, and then over this way to the star.
Crazy. There.
All right, we got Junior Ranger. Tara has already started on it. There's a bingo thing, and she was really eager to hug that tree, so I thought that was funny. But we're sitting here. Aaron took the littles up through the Avenue of Flags to go see the statues a little closer. We're gonna sit here and kind of work through the book a little bit, and then we're gonna have to go up into the visitor center to find some of the answers. And she also has to do a couple other things for the bingo. It's really smoky, and it smells really bad today. It's kind of the first day that we've actually smelled the smoke that we've been in. It's a little hazy, but we're plenty close to the mountain to see the sculptures. And they're a lot bigger than I thought, actually. I thought they'd be smaller and farther away, but we're really like, we can get right underneath them. It's really neat. Okay, it's Franklin Delano. Rubber bear? What was that again?
To protect
Mount Rushmore
and my national parks for my friends and my family. Congratulations, there you go. Good job.
Brooke and Ben both got their Junior Ranger. They had an easier book to do. It was kind of a scavenger hunt, and they did a maze, and they had to do a lot of like mix and matching things.
Good job.
But she did the whole book. She did a really good job and did her Junior Ranger.
No climbing.
Yep. And we've just been all around while Tara's been working on her harder Junior Ranger.
Tara, you are just hard to stump. Let me think of another good question for you. Which president up there had a pet prairie dog? To give you a hint. He was the mastermind of the Louisiana Purchase. He also wrote the Declaration of Independence. Thomas Jefferson, and he also had a pet prairie dog. Because when he sent Lewis and Clark out through the new territory, all out here out west, they wandered into a prairie dog tent. And they decided to catch one for the president and send it back home for him. And that's what they did. They sent him one home, and he kept it there in the White House with him. He named it David, because at one point in time, it got out of its enclosure, got into a fight with one of his hunting dogs, right? Well, this prairie dog, little tiny dog, beat up his big hunting dog. Thomas Jefferson thought it reminded him of the battle between David and Goliath, so he called his pet prairie dog David. Yeah. Good story. All right, Tara, so you have earned your Ranger badge. I am a Rushmore Ranger. I protect Mount Rushmore from danger. I won't pick any plants, and I won't step on the ants. No animals will get my food. And I won't litter, because it's rude. My job is never done. Ranger life is fun. There you are, guys. Congratulations. Very well done. Very awesome job. Awesome. Second.
Should I do the badge?
Rookie, Mom, you did 2 different books for it.
All right, we were just wrapping up here at Mount Rushmore, and I think we both liked this a lot more than we thought we would. Driving up here is just like tourist trap after tourist trap. It's crazy. It's actually really similar to Williamsburg, where we're from.
Yeah.
So we just kind of were driving through there, and I was like, oh Lord, is this what this is going to be? But then you get up here, all that stuff ends because we're in a national memorial, and it's beautiful. It's just really beautiful up here, and the sculptures are really impressive. There's a lot to learn. There's all the flags. Tara tracked down the first state, which would be Delaware, and it's neat. It's really, really neat. It's definitely worth the trip up here. So we're gonna head back down to the car, grab some ice cream on the way, and then, oh, Ben's grabbing the camera. And then I think we're gonna roll through Custer State Park, because we've heard that is very cool and very beautiful, and it's on the way. Yeah, we're gonna, so they have second largest public herd of bison. So we're gonna roll through there and see what that's like before heading back home.
Yeah.
2 scoops. Yeah. It's yummy.
Tara did awesome at her Junior Ranger, so we got some ice cream on the way back to the truck.
Do it again, Brooke.
Wow.
That was really noisy. Tomorrow's Brooke's 4th birthday. She'll be 4 tomorrow. Okay, chipmunks, get in that car.
this road's a lot of fun. There's a scenic overlook up here at the top before we go through a bunch of switchbacks to get down to the bottom, so we hopped out to see what it looks like.
We drove through Custer State Park. We saw a lot of deer, no bison. We did see baby turkeys though. We're home now, getting ready to fix up some dinner, and we'll see what tomorrow holds. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and visit us at 5togo.com.